Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create your own Kahoot game. So first open your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use, then search Kahoot. Then click on the first link. If you don't have an account, click on sign up, but for me I have an account already, so I will click on login. Now as you can see here, the homepage on your screen. Now, if you want to create your own game, you need to click on Create Kahoot. And then right here, click on Create. Now, if you want to create a question, you need to click on this. So as an example, I will type on what is 2 plus 1? And then right over here at the bottom, you can put here the answer. For example, 1, and then the second is 2, then 3, then 4. Now, if they want to answer the question, they just simply click on this circle and check that answer. And they can actually choose multiple answers just like that on your screen. Now, here at the right part of your screen, you can adjust the time limit. For this, I will choose on 20 seconds. And then the points right over here, you can set to standard, double points, or no points. So I will put the standard. Then answer options, they can select a single answer or multi-select. And then here in question type, you can also choose true or false or this quiz. Now on the left part of your screen, you can add questions or add slides. Now once you have done, you can now click on save. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.